Hello, my name is Chelsea, and today I'd like to speak with you a little bit about Supartz knee fluid replacement therapy. Supartz is the brand name of hyaluron or hyaluronic acid, which is the normal natural fluid that your body used to make it in your knees. Over the years of wear, tear, and abuse, the knee joints can become degenerated to the point where the hips have bone-on-bone compression, which creates osteoarthritis pain and inflammation. So we can use the normal natural fluid that your body used to make and replace it in the knee, thus removing the painful swelling and inflammation on the knee joint. We get the amazing result with hundreds of patients every single month using this therapy, and we're actually able to prevent knee replacement surgeries on a regular basis. So give us a call at the number below for a free one-on-one consultation with our doctors to find out if you're a candidate for this phenomenal treatment. I look forward to seeing you in the clinic.
Hi, my name's David, and I've been a patient here for a while. I was a cripple. I couldn't move, and it was the result, I guess, of having a very active life when I was younger. And I used to have pain and numbness a lot, and medical doctors told me this and they told me that, but one day I couldn't stand the pain anymore because I couldn't move, I couldn't walk, I couldn't do anything. I was basically crippled. And I went to my local doctor and he said, "You better go get an MRI." I went, "Oh, okay." No one ever said that. And so I got an MRI and he says, "You got herniated discs." And I went, "Wow, well, what's that?" You know, I didn't even know. And I, at the time, could not survive without narcotics, heavy narcotics. I actually couldn't live. And I don't like those narcotics because they really have rough side effects, but it was the only way I could live. And he had suggested surgery because the disc was so badly herniated. It turned out later, after a neurologist studied the MRI, I had 8 herniated discs. So my body had been very busy over the years degrading. And anyway, a friend of mine who was a chiropractor told me about decompression therapy. So I found Dr. Dammel here, and he had a bed, like a decompression bed, and it was amazing. Like, you get relief immediately, and it's not a quick cycle. It's not like with the level of, I guess, degradation that I had. I'm nearly 60. You know, it doesn't take 5 minutes. It doesn't take 1 treatment or 2 treatments. You know, but it's a gradient scale. You go out the same way you came in, and if you don't rehabilitate what you've allowed to degrade over, for me, it was probably 40 or 50 years of, you know, thorough beating of my own body through football, dirt bike racing, you name it. And I don't take narcotics anymore. I don't have to sort of go crazy with pain, which is really nice because it ruins your life, as you probably already know for anyone who's watching this and knows about pain. It makes you an outcast because you can't do anything anyone else does. So I've come a long way, and surgery isn't necessarily an answer to such a problem, because if you don't rehabilitate by doing decompression, which gradiently restructures the muscles, the tendons, the bones, everything back to what it was, if you don't do that, well, it's going to come back again. So you can go in surgery and shave off the disc that's protruded from the vertebrae that's now impinging on your nerve, but you're still going to have it. It's still going to come back again because the body's deformed, the spine's deformed, and actually what it does is decompression actually rehabilitates your body back to what it was when you were really young. And to me, it's the secret of getting old, because the only reason you get old is your body degenerates and the organs and the nervous system doesn't generate the correct amount of correct enzymes and the correct endocrine system. It's all out of whack because it's deformed, and what decompression does is put it back to where it was. And It basically saved my life physically. I'm sure I'd be dead in another 5 years if I didn't do it, just because everything was degrading. All my organs were degrading and everything was degrading. And the nervous system now has a chance to operate properly. So I highly recommend Northern Kentucky Pain Relief for anyone who might have back pain. Definitely get it checked out, because it's usually something like what I just described in a lesser or greater level of degradation.